Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to deploy React.js uh, projects in GitHub. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically for this video, we are just going to follow a guide that would show you how to deploy, that means host your React app in GitHub. And basically this is just a project or a guide that you can use. And basically to deploy a React app to GitHub pages, you will be needing just to have some things. So basically the prerequisites or the prerequisites uh, are to have this npm as usual. Of course, each React is using Node and it is using the npm. This is just to check the version. And basically, of course, you will be needing to have a Git, but this is not very important. What's important is to have a repository for your projects, and of course, you would have already created a repository from here. And basically, you would need to have created a React app, and of course, you would already have created a React app by following this command, of course. And what matters is to have this uh, npm package. You can use just npm install inside your project and have these GitHub pages. And then you will need just to add a home page property to the package. And basically, you can just open your package.json with the text editor, and you will need to add this one. And basically, make sure it is on the React GitHub pages. And now you will be needing to add the deployment scripts in the package.json. And you can use scripts, and those are the scripts that you will need to add, a pre-deploy and deploy. And this one will just like use some command on your terminal, etc. Now you will be needing to add remote points to GitHub repository, and since you are pushing already to your GitHub, you will probably already added the remote repository, etc. Now you will be needing to push the React app to GitHub repository. Now all you will be needing to do is on your terminal inside your project is to type npm run deploy, and then it will do all the work. And then you can go to the GitHub pages by going to the settings of your repository, and from there you can go to settings and basically will find pages, and then you can choose these options like having these, like the branches should be GitHub pages and the folder it should be root, and basically that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.